Okay, so I'm just going to explain double threaded backstitch today, which isn't a difficult one. As you can see, I've already made a line of backstitch going around there, and now I'm going to start threading it. So I've got a different colour so you can see what I'm doing, and I've come up just next to this first stitch here. I'm going to thread under to the left, and then I'm going to thread under to the right. It helps to use a blunt needle for this so that you're not catching the stitches you've already made as you go through. So under to the left again, then under to the right, and you're just going to carry on all the way to the end of your line. The smaller you make your original stitches, the more that the second colour is going to show, because it's going to have to go through a tighter curve, so it's going to stick out a little bit more. So depending on the effect you want, that's something to consider. Mine are quite long, so it's blending in a little bit. It will start to blend in less when I go back and thread the other way. So with the last stitch here, I've just gone under as I would normally do, and then I'm just going to take it down right where the end of that purple stitching finishes, like that. And then I'm going to come back to the start of my stitching up here, and I'm going to come up next to my first stitch, but I'm going to be working the opposite way. So where I've come under before, I'm going to go that way so that I've got a loop on both sides. So you go towards the loop on the other side when you go under the stitch. And again, alternating which way around you're going. And I'm just going to carry on along the whole line of this back stitching again. You could use 3 colours for this, that would look quite fun, but I've just used 2. And again with the last stitch, under the last stitch, and then down where the original line of stitching finished. And there you go, double threaded back stitch.